Okay, now count is not the same as length. A lot of people get those two confused. Length tells you how much stuff is there. Count says how many times does this character or this series of characters occur in the string. So, for example, going back to our Bakersfield College is where I learned things here. If I create a variable called int count, I'm going to count how many times the letter I how many times does the letter I appear in that text? And it'd be good if I print that out, because otherwise it remains a mystery. There we go, print that. There are 3 I's in the text. How many I's are there actually in the text? There are 4. But remember, I'm only looking for lowercase I. Python doesn't understand. This could be the number 7 and this could be an I, and Python wouldn't make no more connection or no less connection than it does when they're capital I and a lowercase I, because those are English constructs. They're not computing constructs. So those are different characters. Okay. If I want to say the letters IE, there's only 1. If I search for the word bill, B-I-L-L, it says 0. So I can find out how many times or whether something occurs in that text. That's another way to find out if something exists. So you can use the search, you can use count. There's a lot of different ways to do things. That's sort of the beauty of computing.